Hello guys, all you are welcome on GST Easy YouTube platform. Is there any time limit to issue show cause notice or order by GST department under GST law? Section 73 non-fraud case, Section 74 fraud case. There is a specified time limit under Section 73 non-fraud case for issuing order under Section 73 non-fraud case. There is time limitation specified, that is 3 years from the due date of submitting annual return under Section 73 non-fraud case, and there is a time limit of 5 years to issue GST order under Section 74 fraud cases. These things, 3 years and 5 years, belongs to issue of orders, and notice before issuing order should be issued at least 3 months under Section 73 non-fraud case. Notice should be issued at least 3 months before the end of 3 years time limit under Section 73, and show cause notice can be issued at least 6 months before the time limit is specified under Section 74 fraud case, that is being 5 years from the date of due date of annual return. So this is a specified time limit GST department must follow, and if GST department issued Section 73 notice or order or Section 74 notice or order after the time limit is specified in both these sections, such show cause notice or order will be treated as totally null and void and invalid. There is no any presence, no any power of such show cause notice or order in the eyes of law. After receiving show cause notice or order, being a registered GST taxpayer, don't be panic. You are not having to pay immediately amount mentioned in notice. You will be given enough time to submit your reply. There is 3 adjournment available to registered taxpayer. You can use this adjournment by showing any sufficient reason if you are unable to immediate reply of such show cause notice or orders either under Section 73 non-fraud case or under Section 74 fraud cases. Section 75 subsection 4 of the CGST Act is clearly specified that personal interest and natural justice personal hearing should be provided to every taxpayer before issuing notice or order. So this is specified in Section 75 subsection 4, and 3 adjournment which I already told you shall be available under Section 75 subsection 5. So don't be panic in any such situation. Contact your professional who are looking after the affairs of your GST, and you will definitely need a positive reply from him. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe GSTG. Thank you.